Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove your Facebook account from another device. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to do is open your Facebook application, then tap on your profile on the bottom right, or you could also tap on the top left triple lines icon. Then you want to go down to Settings and Privacy and simply tap on Settings. Once you've done that, you want to tap on Account Center. And now if you scroll down and tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Now, if you tap on Your Information and Permission, you can simply go ahead and search for. Now, if you simply tap on Password and Security, you can simply scroll down and tap on where you're logged in. And now simply select your account, and as you can see, it will show you all your devices. You can simply tap on Select Devices to log out and log out right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.